Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting in the right place. Settings. Open FaceTime and confirm the Apple ID shown at the top that controls which emails appear. Once done, look at You can be reached by FaceTime at. Make sure your phone number is enabled and visible. This lets you remove email addresses without losing reachability. Next, tap the email entries you want to hide so they're deselected. This first step removes them from being offered as your FaceTime caller identity. Now refine what others see. If you have iCloud Plus, go to Settings, right arrow Apple ID, right arrow iCloud, right arrow Hide My Email and create a relay address. You can use that instead of your real email. Make sure that in FaceTime only the relay or your phone number is checked. If you don't have iCloud Plus, simply deselect personal emails in the reachable list so FaceTime won't present them as caller ID. This middle step ensures privacy while keeping FaceTime functional. Finish by testing. Call a friend or a second device to confirm your email no longer appears. If FaceTime still shows an email, sign out of FaceTime. Settings, right arrow FaceTime, right arrow tap your Apple ID, right arrow sign out, then sign back in. This forces settings to refresh. Make sure devices using the same Apple ID are synced, then restart your iPhone. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing changes, toggle iCloud account, sync.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.